In this video, we're gonna learn how we can still use Ublock Origin on Chrome. Firstly, there's a code in description, this one here. Copy this code from the description box. Once you've copied this code, make sure that your Chrome is closed. Now we're gonna need the Chrome shortcut. If you don't have a Chrome shortcut on your PC, you're gonna create the shortcut first. Once you have the shortcut, right click on the shortcut, go to properties, come to target here and go to the end, give one space, just like this, and paste the code that you had just copied. Ctrl V. Once you have pasted the code, click on apply and OK. Now we're gonna open the Chrome with the shortcut. Once Chrome has opened, there's a secret direct link for the Ublock Origin developmental build. Copy the link from the description and go. And this one here, Ublock Origin development build. It's totally like the original Ublock Origin. Click on add to Chrome and then add extension. Once the extension has been added, click on the extension button here. Find the Ublock Origin development build and pin it. Now it's here. If you click on this, this is the fully functional original Ublock Origin. If you go to dashboard, and here's all the options as like the original Ublock Origin. So that's how you can get the fully functional Ublock Origin back to Chrome. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.